Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install the aluminum trim kit off of a GLI into a normal Jetta. These also came on the 20ths and 337ths and the R32 as well. But I'll show you how to install all these. So we got the door handles. There's 4 since it's a Jetta. 4 handles themselves, ashtray, door pins, shifter boot, and then we have the radio cage right here. So I also ordered these aftermarket aluminum trim knobs, so should look pretty good when we're done. Alright, so as you can see, this is a 2001 Volkswagen Jetta wagon, as you can see. Already upgraded it to the 3-spoke. Got the gauge cluster, the updated gauge faces in there, so that looks pretty good. Different shift knob. So I'm gonna be replacing the shift boot, this ashtray, this whole radio cage. So I'm gonna lose these awesome cup holders, sadly, but I do have an upgraded center console I'll be installing. So pretty much to explain what we're going to have to do first, sadly we will have to pull each one of the door panels off and able to do the door pins, and to be able to pop this off, this actual door handle. And then we will have to remove this lower kick panel, this kick panel, the glove box, this center console, and then this portion right here as well, in order to get the cage to come out. So let's get started. Alright, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and you see this part of the ashtray, you're going to be able to pull that up like so, and you're going to see that little, there's a little Torx right there. Yeah, there's a Torx bit right there. We're going to take that out, and then this whole part, this whole ashtray will come out, and you'll have to undo the little connector for the 12-volt power supply. And then for the shift boot, I have a different shift knob, but normally it's connected right here, so you'd have to basically pull up on it like that and just pull up. And then when you lift this part off, you just kind of have to tilt this up like this and it'll go right through. Alright, so we got a T20 Torx bit, which is what we're going to use for most of these clips. Yeah, pull that out. I'm just going to use the ashtray. Hold all this. Usually people spill coffee and stuff in here. It does come out. It just might need a little help. There we go, like this. And then you got the little connector right here. Which, you see how I did that? I went through the shift boot portion. And bam, we have the ashtray out now. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and remove these kick panels. There's number 3. Here, I'll get a flashlight so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Alright, so the first one's going to be right here. The second one's going to be right here in the middle. The one's going to be right here. Far sides. Alright, so for this part, we'll probably have to pull this. So we got this guy pulled. And then here's this part of the kick panel. Start putting this stuff in the bag. Alright, so before you can remove this kick panel, there's going to be a screw right here, another T20. We're just going to take that out. Alright, so now that we got that out, I just grabbed it from down here, pulled it straight out. Alright, and you're going to see so there's going to be a T20 there, and then there's going to be a T20 there. We need to remove both of those. All right. So there's those. So pull this little cover off. So it'd all work a lot better if you have a trim tool, but this works just as well. Side going. All right. There we go. All right, so now that you're here, all right, so there's going to be 4 total. 1 here, 1 there, and then 2 on that side as well. We're going to want to remove all 4 of those. Those are also T20s. All right, so now we got all 4 of those. Now what we'll do is move on to the glove box side. All right, so now we're on the passenger side. We're gonna be looking at, there's a screw here, and a screw there. Also T20s, so let's go ahead and take these out.
just be careful. These glove boxes, they like to break. So we're gonna try our best not to break it. So on the top of the glove box, you're gonna see 3 more. 1, 2, and then 3. So you're gonna see 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna remove those. All right, so now that you got those 3, we're gonna do what we did on the other side, and we're gonna pop this off, just like that. All right, and you're gonna see this. This is what's holding it on, which that one, T20 will work on. So that's the glove box portion. Next step, we can't pull this yet because technically I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but in this area right here, there's a weird little clip that will stop it. So we're gonna need to be able to loosen this guy up. So there's gonna be another T20 right here, and there's this little guy that's hidden. You need a flathead or a knife to pop that out, and you'll take that T20 out as well. Try not to break it. All right. Or lose it. All right, so now we can remove this one. And this one. That one's not even all the way in. All right, so now you see that's a little more flimsy. All right, now we should be able to pull the glove box down. And remember, pull it towards you. Just like that. And then when you pull it out, you're gonna have some connections. Pull that light off. Try to put everything back how it was. The USB cord in here. All right, so now we have the glove box out all in one piece. Now the next step, just like we did on the other side, there's going to be a screw here and a screw here. Take that stuff out. Just like that. I guess it's time to do the next part. So you got this ashtray back here for these older ones. You can pull this straight out, just like so. Let you see. So there's gonna be 2. They're a pain in the ass. These are the ones that people always don't know exist, and they end up breaking everything. So there's 2 T20s in here, and in each one of these little holes, one there and one there. So let's take those out. All right, so we got both of those out. As you can see on mine, I pulled the glove box because, like I said, I have the newer glove box, the armrest. I pulled that out because I have my own. I have the upgraded one, and I didn't want to use that yet. So, well, the e-brake pulled up. Now you can see we have some movement. It's still bolted in right here,
sorry, right here. So let's go around to that side and loosen up this part. All right, remember these are in the same spot as the other side. Probably a lot more work than a lot of people want to do. All right, let's pull this little. Alright, so now, because we just pulled up, now we have the center console out. And also to remove the armrest, I have a video on it. It's really not that difficult. There's 2 anchor points. Normally there's a big metal bracket that goes right here that holds that stupid armrest on. Anyways, you'll pop off the plastic caps that are up here. That'll give you access to get that piece out, and then you just go down and get them, and then they fall out. The whole thing comes out, and then like I said, there's a big metal bracket that I took out. That's normally right here. All right, so now that we got that, we can see the radio cage is starting to come out now. So I'm pushing it in like this, which therefore is giving me the ability to pull this out. Alright, so now we have that. We're not going to lose that foam, which then leaves us with the radio cage. Now the radio cage should fall right out. We just have to disconnect my stereo. You know, that's broken. So, all right, but we got the radio cage out. And then now I will show you how to put the new radio cage in, since that's the biggest piece and that's the most pain in the ass, because you literally have to pull everything out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can get updates on all the new videos I release. I hope to see you next time.